There's certain conditions that you can only really achieve in wintertime, right? Slippery roads, icy conditions. So unless you actually subject a vehicle to those conditions, you never really know how it's going to behave. We're currently finishing up all of our fine-tuning. We finally have everything in the right place at the right time, and every single one of those things can affect all-wheel drive performance. People don't think about electric vehicles in winter because there really isn't an electric vehicle out there that satisfies the needs of an all-wheel drive SUV in winter. And the Mach-E, for the first time, really does satisfy those needs. The all-wheel drive's ability to adapt to changing conditions. That means that if you happen to be in a higher grip condition, like on a highway or something, you have all that acceleration. But as soon as you turn off of that highway onto a snow-covered road, you have the control that you would expect.
I mean, it gets real cold here, right? It's extreme, and no matter how we stress the battery pack with cold temperatures, this vehicle is able to perform. Our teams have worked to have this tight coordination between the brake controls and all-wheel drive and propulsion controls. And snow, slippery surfaces, the vehicle tracks amazing in all environments.
Before we started this program, we drove every one of the competitive products that are out there. And we immediately began to notice that there was a lot of opportunity for improvement. We've continued to improve the Mach-E along the way so that it will be one of the best electric vehicles out there.
I mean, it blows you away how this car accelerates in the snow.
We've got something that anybody can get behind the wheel of it and immediately be surprised at how well it performs. They'll get behind the wheel and they'll know that there's just something different about it. And I don't think they're ever going to be disappointed. We've got 2 weeks left of winter development and we're finishing up a few things, but I'm really excited about where the car is and I just can't wait to see what people think of it.
They're going to be so impressed with how the vehicle drives, with the space they have, with seeing it in their driveway, showing it to their families. It's going to be pretty awesome.